Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech and today we will see part 16 in which you will see the last two types of adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Let's see kinds of adjectives. We have already completed 1 to 12 types of adjectives and today we are going to see type number 13, that is participle adjectives, and type number 14, that is distributive adjectives. Let's see the definition of participle adjectives. Adjectives with ed or ing endings are known as participle adjectives. Let's see examples. My nephew was amused by the clown. So, amused, that is participle adjective. Second, it's so frustrating. So, frustrating, that is participle adjective. Third one, I am so relaxed. So, here ed is there. So, relaxed, that is participle adjective. Here frustrating. So, ing is there at the ending. So, that's why frustrating, that is participle adjective. Here amused. So, ed at the end. That's why this is participle adjective. Fourth one, the program was really interesting. ing is there, that's why interesting, that is participle adjective. She was overwhelmed. Overwhelmed, that is participle adjective. He is very interested in science. So interested, ed at the end. That's why interested, that is participle adjective. Cleaning is so tiring. Tiring, ing is there at the end. That's why tiring, that is participle adjective. The news was so shocking that she burst into tears. So, shocking, ing at the end. That's why shocking, that is participle adjective. Let's do exercise. Choose the correct adjectives from the brackets. Okay, 5 blanks are given with brackets. You have to choose which one is correct. Do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, this lesson is so boring. So, boring is the correct answer. Second, this word problem is so confusing. Can you help me? So, here confusing is the correct answer. Third one, the plane began to move in a rather alarming way. So, alarm and alarming. So, correct option is alarming. My brother is so excited because he is going on holiday tomorrow. So, excited is the correct answer. I hate long flights. I am always really bored. So, here two options are given, bored and boring. But bored, that is the correct adjective. Let's move to next. That is last one, distributive adjectives. A distributive adjective is an adjective that is generally used to distribute a particular group as an individual and is used with a singular noun respectively. Let's see examples. First, write down the answers for each of the following questions. So here each, that is distributive adjective. Each of them is a professionally trained performer. So here each, distributive adjective. Tell me every single detail regarding this case. So every, that is distributive adjective. Either you believe me or leave me in this situation. So here either, that is distributive adjective. I will be happy with either decision. So either, that is distributive adjective. I like neither of them. Neither, distributive adjective. Do you have any money? Any, distributive adjective. Can I see that one? One, that is distributive adjective. Both countries are now at peace. So both, that is distributive adjective. Choose the one you like. So one, that is distributive adjective. Hope you understood. Now let's do exercise. Pick out distributive adjectives. 6 sentences are given. You have to pick out distributive adjectives from all this. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, every nation is proud of its culture. So here every, that is distributive adjective. Second, neither of them got majority. So here neither, that is distributive adjective. Third one, I love any song that Shakira sings. So any, that is distributive adjective. Take one pill with water after each meal. So here each, that is distributive adjective. I can't explain it either. Either, that is distributive adjective. Last one, I could neither laugh nor cry. So neither, that is distributive adjective. So friends, here we end our session, and with that we have completed all 14 types of adjectives in parts of speech. So in my next session you will see conjunctions, in which you will see definitions and many examples in detail. So don't miss this video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.